On behalf of everyone at Wonder Vida, thank you. Not just for your purchase, but for your trust in us. Before I tell you about your beautiful new beauty box, let me tell you about the charity you just supported. Now let me show you your Wonder Vida beauty box. The Wonder Vida beauty box comes with 3 amazing Wonder Vida products you're going to adore. This blackhead mask, charcoal powder toothpaste, and acne treatment. Each and every item was designed to enhance your natural beauty. And for an added bonus, we've thrown in 2 bonus items for you to enjoy. While the bonus items change from time to time, you will enjoy this beautiful green gram face mask and this incredible gold eye mask. Enjoy these wonderful additions to your morning and night beauty routine. Thank you again for putting your trust in Wonder Vida. Enjoy.